Hello, my name is Jamie Chamabro, and this is my presentation. I chose to do coping with career transitions in middle adulthood. So this is my segment on career transitions during middle adulthood. Middle adulthood include ages 40 to 65 and is often marked by stability and significant change. So one key challenge is navigating career transitions, promotions, job loss, burnouts, or a complete career shift. So during this stage of life, career transitions can be stressful. It can be like age related, workplace bias, it can be fear of stagnation, technological demands, or the need to reskill, and competing demands, aging parents, financial planning, and parenting children. So basically, like an example of the technology part is like my mom, she's not used to technology and she has to keep up in the workplace. So she doesn't know how to do certain things. Like whenever they brought in computers, she had a hard time catching up. Or whenever they do like new skills or new programs that they have to work with. So that's an example of technology. So the biological part of it is stress related fatigue, sleep issues, health problems. Psychological is identity loss, anxiety and burnout, and decreased self esteem. So like if you're working somewhere and you feel like you're not pulling your part, you're looking at people around you, they're doing better than you, or they just have like good better skills, it might cause you to feel bad about yourself and it will cause like low self esteem. And then the social part of it is strained work or family relationships, reduced social networks, and isolation during change. So you might not interact with your family or your friends how you used to. You might not like want to be around people anymore. You may want to be alone. It really just depends on that person. And then the biological, and this is the strategies for like coping with it. So biological, you can exercise and start making healthy habits. You can do regular medical checkups, or you can come up with stress management techniques. The psychological part of it is like counseling and therapy, mindfulness and journaling. For some people, it helps if they write down these things like a diary, or you can do a career coaching. So basically, that's like someone helps find you a job or helps like to guide you to what you should be doing or with your skills and things of that nature. So for the social part of it, it's like peer support groups, networking and mentorship, family communication, and involvement. So career transitions in middle adulthood are complex and manageable. Using the psychological model provides a holistic view of the challenge and potential supports with the awareness and resources individuals can adopt and thrive through this life stage.